How to get the new Snapchat update. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get the new Snapchat update on your device. First things first, what you can do is head into your App Store or Play Store and then search in for Snapchat and check if any updates is available. Now, if the update has come out, then you'll get an update option instead of the open option that you can see on the screen right now, and then you might just want to tap on update and update the app. It'll install itself. However, if you don't get the update on Play Store or App Store, then you might just want to force the update. Now, to force the update, first what you need to do is reset your app. Now, to do so, scroll down your notification bar and then head into settings. Once on settings, scroll down and head into apps. On an apps, search in for Snapchat, and here what you want to do is first tap on force stop, and then it'll first stop the app, and then head into storage and then clear your data. What this does is it'll basically reset your app fully, and after you do this, head into App Store again and you should get the update this time. However, if you don't get the update, you can just try getting the beta version of the Snapchat app so that you'll get all the update in advance. Now, depending on the region, you might get the option to get Snapchat beta version. Now, I'm in a region where I won't get the beta version of Snapchat. However, if you want to see if you have the beta version, what you want to do is open up the Snapchat app and log into your account and then head into your profile. Once on profile, what you want to do is tap on the gear icon, and then if you scroll down below, you should find the option to get Snapchat beta app if you have the option available on your region. However, hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.